Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Mac computer, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you compress an MP4 file on your Mac for free? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to compress your MP4 files with your Mac anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a content business like me, or maybe you're running an online business, sometimes when you're submitting videos, they require the video to be under a certain file size. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled directly in your Mac. This is not something that you need to download or pay for. This is already included on your Mac. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already pulled up an MP4 file, as you can see right here, MP4. So if you're using your Mac, you can actually do this in iMovie. But if you don't want to open iMovie, you can do it directly from QuickTime Player. If you compress the MP4 file on iMovie, you're going to have more options. But if you want to simply quickly compress an MP4 file, all you're going to do is right click on the MP4 file. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down and you're going to click here on open with, and then you're going to choose QuickTime Play. Okay, you can see this is an MP4 file I have here. It's just I guess a generic building, but in order to compress this MP4 file up here at the top, you're going to click on File. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and click on Export As, and then once you do that, you're going to choose a smaller file type. So this is in 1080. So I try not to use 480 just because it's going to be really small. Anytime you're going to be compressing an MP4 file, you're going to lose a lot of data. So I would probably just go one level down. So let's do 720. Okay, now it's exporting the compressed file. Okay, now it's done. Let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, so now we have these two files. So here is the original, and then here is the compressed MP4. You can see it dropped from 82 megabytes down to 43 megabytes. Now let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, here is the new file. Now, if we open it up, you can see that some of the quality of the video has degraded, and that's pretty obvious. Anytime you're going to be compressing an MP4, you're going to lose some data, but it's still in pretty good shape though. And we actually saved about half of the file space. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to compress an MP4 file on your Mac for free, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.